Did you know that the only difference between rich and poor people is a set of rules that the rich follow? Would you like to discover the secrets to becoming wealthy? Then stick with me. Hello friends and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you 15 rules that wealthy individuals follow to achieve everything they desire. Please watch the video attentively because it's going to change your life. Number 1. Poor people watch a lot of TV. Let me put it simply, if you spend a lot of time watching TV, you're probably poor. It's interesting to note how much time poor people waste watching TV. Television is one of those distractions that diverts your attention from important matters. A famous person once said, "If you enjoy wasting time, it is not wasted time." However, I recommend thinking about this sentence a bit more. Is sitting and watching a screen really something you enjoy? Meanwhile, rich people aim to be on TV rather than watching it. Number 2. Poor people eat a lot of fast food. Health is a critical aspect that wealthy individuals highly value, but poor people usually don't care about what's in their food. Poor people fill their bodies with fat and sugar, which prevents them from using their full potential. Number 3. Poor people buy cheap clothes. Poor people tend to look for cheaper products or items on sale to save money. However, in the long run, these low-quality products need frequent replacement. Rich people, on the other hand, invest in durable products that are worth the money. Number 4. Poor people save their money instead of investing it. One habit of poor people is that they keep their money in the bank rather than investing it. They are afraid of investing and prefer to preserve their capital. But the rich know that to accumulate more wealth, they need to invest their money. Investing allows them to multiply their money and get closer to their financial goals. Number 5. Poor people waste their time. Time is a very valuable resource, and rich people understand this well. They try to manage their time in the best possible way and use every moment for progress. But poor people often waste their time and don't use it properly. Number 6. Poor people always look for someone to blame. Poor people often blame others for their failures and problems and don't take responsibility for their actions. This attitude prevents them from learning from their mistakes and progressing. Rich people, however, take full responsibility for their actions and use their failures and mistakes as opportunities to learn and grow. Number 7. Poor people are afraid of change. Fear of change is one of the biggest obstacles to progress and success. Poor people are usually afraid of change and have become accustomed to their current situation. They avoid taking risks and trying new things. But the rich know that change and risk are necessary parts of achieving success. Number 8. Poor people don't value education and learning. Another significant difference between the poor and the rich is that poor people don't value education and learning. They think learning ends after formal education. But the rich are always looking to learn and acquire new knowledge. They know that continuous learning is one of the keys to success, and they always strive to keep themselves updated. Number 9. Poor people make excuses instead of working hard. Poor people often have many excuses for their lack of success. Instead of working towards their goals, they find various reasons for their failures. But the rich, instead of making excuses, put in all their effort to achieve their goals. They know that the only way to succeed is through hard work and dedication. Number 10. Poor people think they know everything. Poor people usually think they know everything and don't need to learn or seek advice. They don't listen to others and don't learn from their mistakes. But the rich are always looking to improve themselves. They take advantage of others' experiences and always seek advice and guidance. Thank you for sticking with me until the end. Please subscribe to the channel, and if you liked the video, make sure to like it.